Hey guys, Todd here with TW Home Show. Welcome back to my channel. In the garage here, I got something to show you. A unique accessory that my wife got me for Christmas that I asked for. And it's a battery operated air inflator. Compact machine. I like this unit right here by Zmoon. Right here. I'll leave the information, all the links to this in the video description below this video. If you're interested in what you see here today, I like it has a digital display. I can have this always charged up. Everything, all attachments, everything in this one case. And I'm going to give you an example here on my Tesla. Now this is not made for just EV vehicles, for any type of vehicles that you have with rubber on the road, motorcycles, ATVs, even basketballs, pool, inner tube, stuff like that. So you're probably going to want to get one of these, but you're going to want to see how easy they are to operate first. So stay tuned. All right, and we're back. Now here we go. You're going to say, hey Todd, what do I get in that pouch right there? Let's take a look and get a better glimpse of what is included if you were to buy this air inflator, battery operated. You don't have to plug this into your car, cigarette, or power point adapter inside the car or nothing. It is just a mobile unit. Nice little case, holds everything in place. Here's the main unit with the battery in it. And actually, if you're out on the road, had no other way to charge your phone or tablet or something, you're out camping or something, you can actually charge it from here because it's kind of like a power pack as well. So we'll take a closer look at that in a minute. What we get in the pouch here, we get our basic tire inflator adapter hose, and that screws right into the top of the unit I just showed you. And then we get the PowerPoint charger. Like I said, I mean, you can use this if the battery is completely dead in the unit, or if you just want to recharge it in your console or something, keep it charged up. You can charge it like that, or you can charge it with a regular wall charger outlet like this, or you can charge it off of a battery power pack or anything you want. It's a micro USB-C and a USB-A adapter. And you get these adapters here for like inner tubes and stuff I told you about for your pool, or for basketball, footballs, stuff like that. So this completes everything in the kit. It's even got a built-in flashlight right here built on. If you're out on the road at night, you can turn that on for safety and just to see where your valve stem is. So I've already let some air out of my Tesla front tire here. So I'm going to show you from start to finish what you see on the digital display and how unique this is. But first, when you go to your car, you're going to need to find out, what air pressure do I need, Todd, in my car? Well, open up your driver's door and you're going to find a label kind of like this right here. We're going to take a look at that label, and if you see this label, this will tell you the tire sizes. It'll show you the tire pressure as well right here for front and rear. 45 psi in our case. So we got our tire pressure 45 psi. So we're going to go ahead, take our unit up here to the front tire. We're going to screw our valve hose in right here to the top of the unit. Snug it up. We can hold the power button, that's the center button here, I think for 3 seconds. There we go. We got a display right now, we can see. And make sure it's on PSI at the top, because we're filling this in PSI measurements. Right here, the 4 dots right there in the middle, that's showing that the battery in here is fully charged right now. 4 dots. 4 or 5 dots, I think it's fully charged. So we'll pull off our valve stem cap. And I like this because once you plug this on here, you're going to be able to see what your current tire temperature is. Like this. Look at this. Our current tire temperature, if you can see that display, is at the top, 37.2 psi. That's our current tire temperature. We have it set for 45. Now if we do the minus, let's see, do the minus, now we can set it for 43 psi to fill it up at. It's at 37.3, we want to fill it to 43, but no, we want to hit the plus symbol right here, set this to 45. Now we're going to set it to 45 psi, like displayed on our label in our door. And we're going to press the power button in the center to start it. Just like that. It's a little loud, but it gets the job done. And this unit doesn't get very hot either. It gets a little warm. The hottest part is the hose from the friction of the air pumping it so fast. Look at that. That is the coolest feature of all, is it stops when it hits that preset of 45 psi or whatever you set yours to. And so you can, plug this in, hit the start button, go do a couple errands around your car if you're cleaning it or something, and come back when it's all done. And you just remove the air plug from your valve stem real quick, like that. Put your valve cap back on, nice and snug. Then you're set. You've got proper tire pressure. Now I'm going to show you how there's a display again, and the light right here, I believe I pressed the U button on it for 3 seconds. There you go. And you've got a emergency light, flashlight, if you need it out on the road at night to fill up your tires. So guys, I give this a major thumbs up. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think of this compact battery operated air compressor? It saves you a lot of time trying to go around finding a gas station or service center with an air tire machine. You got to get your credit card out, pay up to $5 to fill up your tires, when you got this right in the back of your trunk or in your garage, ready to fill your tires up at any time. Guys, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos, and I'll see you on the next one.